Hey boss, this is the Boss Golf, and we're replacing our grips at home. Only need a few supplies, easy to do, something that is a great way to spend time getting closer to your game. I love Golf Pride grips, they're my favorite grips. I use the mid-size, lots of colors, great feel. First thing you gotta do, get your hook razor, take those grips off, always cut away from yourself, gotta be safe here. Easy decision. Grips usually come off. The only tricky part about this is getting the tape off, which is why I highly recommend that you get like a little mini torch or flame, heat those grips up, gets that glue to loosen up, makes them very easy to get off. Once you get them off, then you may want to get a little Gooby Gone or something to clean up. Make sure you get all that extra tape residue off. And it takes a second, but you got 14 clubs, so it's going to take a little bit of time. Easy to do. This is one of those things that you'll really enjoy about your golf game. Get a good feel for your clubs, make some decisions about how you prefer your grip. Next, mark your clubs, set them down, get them in the vise, and then you're just going to make sure that you get enough tape on there, but not too much. Put the little extra bit, tuck that down into the shaft, and then it'll be about applying your grips. If you'll notice, that's me in the background. Make sure you follow the Boss Golf on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, wherever you like to get your golf content. I am there at the Boss Golf. Now that you got your tape on, you want to make sure that you get your grip solvent on. Pour the grip solvent into your grip, shake it up a little bit, and then pour the excess out the butt of the grip onto the shaft. This is the best way to apply it. Make sure you have a drip pan underneath you. You can reuse that solvent once it runs off, so it takes forever to get through a bottle of grip solvent. I've had some for years. Slide it right on, then repeat, repeat, repeat. In the background there, you will see Old Head in Ireland, a beautiful golf course, one of my favorite bucket list courses. A review will be coming up soon. Once you get them all set, make sure that you tap out any excess solvent out the butt of the club, and make sure you make your adjustments as quickly as possible and you line them all up. It is the best way. If you wait a little too long, it will dry. And these are my clubs. They are beautiful. They are color coordinated, and we're all about style over here and function, and Golf Pride has that.